Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow gardeners. In this video, I will explain how to get the candy blossom and grow a garden. This beautiful, sweet-type flower was originally a special, limited-time plant, available only during a past Easter event. It's known for its divine rarity and high value, making it one of the most desired plants in the game. Unfortunately, you can no longer purchase its seeds directly from any in-game shop, which means we need to explore alternative methods to add this lovely blossom to your collection. Since direct purchase isn't an option, one primary way to acquire candy blossom is through player interaction. You can try trading with other dedicated gardeners who might have extra crops or even a rare seed. Alternatively, if you're lucky, another player might be willing to gift you some. This method truly depends on your social connections within the game and finding someone generous enough to share this valuable item with you. It's a bit like a treasure hunt, but with friends. Another intriguing method involves utilizing a special pet, the raccoon. This clever companion has an ability to duplicate a random crop from another player's garden every 15 minutes. While this won't get you the seed to grow your own, it can provide you with the valuable candy blossom fruit to sell. To get a raccoon, you'll need to purchase a night egg for 50,000 shekels and hope for a successful hatch. It's a game of chance, but potentially rewarding. When you finally get your hands on candy blossom, remember it's a multi-harvest plant, meaning it will continuously produce crops once planted. Each individual crop can sell for a significant amount, typically between 95,000 and 100,000 shekels, making it incredibly profitable. Always be careful of unofficial methods or scams promising easy seeds, as many are not legitimate. The original seed was very expensive, costing 10 million shekels during its limited event, highlighting its immense value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.